Now, let us see some of the examples of nouns that take the word la. That is, these nouns are masculine singular nouns. For example, let us take the noun professor. So, what will come before the word professor? You are right, it is la. This is because this noun is in the masculine singular form. The next word, stilo. Stilo means pen. In learning these articles, you can also develop your vocabulary. So, the word for pen is stilo. What comes before the stilo? La. The next word is crayon. What would come before crayon? It is also la. The next word is livre. Livre means book. Book is also a masculine singular word. Therefore, we use la. This word père. Père means father. Father is masculine singular. Therefore, we use la. The next word is fromage. Fromage means cheese. So, cheese is also the masculine singular. Therefore, we use la. This word poulet means chicken. So, we use la. This jus de fruit means fruit juice. We use la. This word frère. Frère means brother. Brother is also masculine singular. Therefore, we use la. This word is grand-père. Yes, you must have guessed. Père means father. Grand-père is grandfather. Grandfather is also masculine singular. Therefore, we use the word la. There are many examples. These are just a few. You can refer for the other examples. Let us say these once again. Le professeur, le stylo, le crayon, le livre, le père, le fromage, le poulet, le jus de fruits, le frère, le grand-père. Now, let us see some examples of nouns that take the word la before them. These are the nouns that are in the feminine singular form. For example, fête. Fête means birthday party. So, fête is in the feminine singular form. So, we use the word la. Next, mère. Mère means mother. This is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we use the word la. Do you remember the word for father? Yes, it is père. In learning the articles, we can develop our vocabulary, as I told you earlier. The next word is sœur. Sœur means sister. Sœur is in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we use the word la. The next word is grand-mère. Yes, you would have guessed. Mère means mother, which tells us that grand-mère means grandmother. This is also in the feminine singular form. Therefore, it takes the article la. Next is chaise. Chaise means chair. This is also in the feminine singular form. The next word is gomme. Gomme means rubber. It is also in the feminine singular form, so it takes the word la. Next, fenêtre. Fenêtre means window. Window is also the feminine singular form, therefore la. Next word here is tante. Tante means aunt. It is also in the feminine singular form, therefore we write la. The next word is maison. Maison means house. Maison is also in the feminine singular. Therefore, we write la. The next word is main. Main means hand. Hand, this is also in the feminine singular form. Therefore, we write la. And finally, the word femme. Femme means woman. As you can see, this is also in the feminine singular form. Therefore, it takes the article la. So let us read these words once again. La fête, la mère, la sœur, la grand-mère, la chaise, la gomme, la fenêtre, la tante, la maison, la main, and la femme.